Welcome to my channel. Today you will learn parts of a home in English. Living room. Living room. This is where families relax, watch TV, and spend time together. Kitchen. Kitchen. The kitchen is where food is cooked and meals are prepared. Dining room. Dining room. People eat meals together in the dining room. Bathroom. Bathroom. You use the bathroom to shower, wash your hands, and brush your teeth. Bedroom. Bedroom. The bedroom is where you sleep and relax at night. Hallway. Hallway. A hallway connects rooms inside the house. Stairs. Stairs. Stairs help you go up and down between floors. Balcony. Balcony. A balcony is a small outdoor space attached to a room. Garage. Garage. A garage is where people park their cars or store tools. Laundry room. Laundry room. This is where clothes are washed and dried. Quick quiz. Think fast. Which room do you enter first at home? Type your answer in the comments. Front door. Front door. The front door is the main entrance to a house. Backyard. Backyard. A backyard is an outdoor area behind the house. Roof. Roof. The roof covers the house and protects it from rain. Ceiling. Ceiling. The ceiling is the top inside surface of a room. Floor. Floor. The floor is what you walk on inside the house. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.